Hi, and welcome to Teach Like Bianca. I'm Bianca, and I'm here to share with you my 6-month journey on Teachers Pay Teachers. And I'm also even going to share with you my 9-month journey on Teachers Pay Teachers. I should have filmed this video back in March because that's when I originally said I was going to film it because my 6 months was up in February. But life just gets in the way. I teach full-time. I teach middle school full-time. I do have a middle school age son. I started my admin credential program back in January as well. So I'm also going to share with you my 9-month journey because that was up in May. So I have some goals that I want to achieve by my 1-year anniversary on Teachers Pay Teachers, which is coming up in August 2021. But hopefully I can achieve those goals with all the things that I have going on. I'm also going to be teaching summer school and doing starting my admin internship for summer school. So we'll see how much I can get done. And I'm just trying to give you a great description of what being a Teachers Pay Teachers seller is like while you work full-time, have a family, and also have other obligations and goals that you want to achieve on the side. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to look down here at my notes. I do have everything written down here. So I started my Teachers Pay Teachers account back in August 2020. And my very first month I made around $24. And I was happy with that because that's a great average if I could have maintained that month after month. But August, I don't work in August. I don't go back to school and start back to school till the end of August or maybe early September. So I had the entire month of August to really push out products and create products and put them on my Teachers Pay Teachers account. So at the end of 6 months, which was in February, my total sales were $105.30. Now I'm on the premium sellers account, so I get more back in earnings, and my earnings were $78.64. So my next 3 months, which would have been from February, the end of February to May, for my 9 months, that I made a total, this is total from August to May, $114.40 in sales, and then in my earnings was $85.32. Now I only made in sales $9, a little over $9 between February to May, and $6, a little over $6 in earnings from February to May. So that kind of shows you the kind of track I've been on in the last 6 months or so, or a few, not 6 months, I guess in the last 3 months, maybe 4 months, that I haven't been posting a lot of products on Teachers Pay Teachers, not as much as I wanted to. I currently have 123 followers, and that's as of now, that at the end of my 9-month journey. I don't know what it was during March or February during my 6-month journey, but I did sell or make 8 sales, and I'm going to read off what those products were. So I sold If I Were the President, which was just a worksheet, If I Were the President. So this must have been selling around President's Day. And I sold 3 of those. A Veterans Day interview, which could have been around President's Day as well, or it could have been around Memorial Day. I just sold one of those. I had a Groundhog Day point of view worksheet. I sold 2 of those, Groundhog Day in February. And then I sold 2 sub-teacher lesson plan templates, which I think is doing well because I get pretty repeated sales on the substitute teacher lesson plan templates because I think it's because I created a video out of it and posted that as something where you can preview the item before you buy it, which I think works very well. So as of this, I'm filming this in the middle of June. As of June, I have a total of 17 products. Now, 17 products, I only added 4 products within the last 6 months. And now those four products, 2 of them were free. And one of them was the I'm Thankful activity, which I actually created back in November for Thanksgiving Day, and I just didn't post it up. I wasn't extremely happy with it, so I was like, you know, this is something that I could just make free. So I posted that up, and that was free. The Groundhog Day point of view worksheet, I posted that up, and I had those 2 cells right away for Groundhog's Day. And it was actually like, you know, just a few days before Groundhog's Day when I posted it. And then I did the St. Patrick's Day word search, which I actually have the video to how I created a word search digitally that I'll link in the description or put somewhere where if you want to check it out. So the St. Patrick's Day word search, that was also free. And I also give everybody a free copy if they want to use it for their classroom or whatever the case might be. And then I also just recently posted an end of the year memory book, which is a digital or even printable memory book that students can use since it's the end of the year. So what I wanted to do was post more. I didn't post more. What I also wanted to do was I wanted to do more tutorials on how to make products for here on YouTube. So I am going to do that. I do have some goals that I want to at least post at least 20 more products by August. So I have about a month and a half to get some work done and see how that goes. But, you know, I'm all for of living life and making goals and setting those goals. And if that means that I'm a little slow on tackling other things like posting on Teachers Pay Teachers, then that's okay. I'm not looking for this to be a full-time job, just a fun hobby to do where I can make money on the side. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will post more. Put comments down below. I'll help you get started with Teachers Pay Teachers as well.